I'm sitting in a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. We're going to be programming in a fob key. This is a non-keyless go version. And what we're going to do is we're going to use fob B, which will enter the pin for you. So all we have to do is go into key programming, and it's very quick. So here's how we do it. Stick your key in the switch, turn it on. You can see that the security light's down there. That's flashing. Okay, here's how we do it. Chrysler, Town & Country, key coding, 16, fob system 1, program key, there's programming tone. That's it, you're done. Take the key out. Locks and locks. Turn it on. Everything lights up, security light is out, and you are finished.